Hello everyone, here is Haoxuan tape. This is reinforced aluminum foil tape. Reinforced aluminum foil tape products are made of reinforced aluminum foil veneers, coated with high-performance solvent, synthetic rubber pressure-sensitive adhesives, and isolated papers of compounded single-sided polyethylene and silicone. Features: consistent with the appearance of the veneer material. It is higher tensile strength than pure aluminum tape, more stiff, and not easy to curl. Application: repaste to various insulation cotton. As a heat insulation and water vapor barrier layer of a steel structure building or air ducts of central air conditioners. It also can be used as the sound absorbing and heat insulation material of high-rise buildings, cinemas, concert halls, etc.